So the AI needs context. So consider that, the AI is like just an enthusiastic junior developer. It needs a type of catalog to define boundaries. So the one of the key maturity benchmarks is how well has your business context been integrated into the AI. Consider two scenarios. One scenario where a company has access to ChatGPT and enterprise ChatGPT, and they're not allowed to upload files or share any public information from that to the AI, which is fine. That's a completely valid choice, right? But then what happens in terms of the quality of the outputs and results that an AI produces? Well, it doesn't. If it doesn't have the business context or understanding, then they're still in the very much the early phase of AI adoption, in my opinion, even if they have an enterprise license of AI, right? Consider on the other side where an AI has an AI platform includes things like MCP servers for things like Confluence, the wiki pages, and an AI agent, if it's trying to write some code, actually has the ability to go check the business documentation and the business use case, and understand that context before generating code. It has the ability to go look at requirements, or even in generating requirements, the AI agent has the ability to look at the business logic and the business documentation in maybe the company's wiki. So that type of contextual enablement, as a layer that goes on top of whatever agent or model or tool you're using, right? That is really more of a deeper pulse check, this test for where AI adoption or maturity actually is happening.